同学们，你们好！今天和老师一起学习25课的语法第二部分。首先 ，first of all， 我们看 sentences with 被 right to tell the passive voice. The structure of this is still start from a subject. Afterwards, we put the 被before the predicate, and 被 afterwards there's a 被 and the object and the verb, and maybe there will be some complements afterwards. So we look at the examples. 自行车 bicycle as the subject. 被小偷偷走了. So the sentence is 自行车 was stolen by the thief. 所以呢 in this kind of sentence, the object put before the verb, the object normally it tells the agent who does the action. And the structure is subject 被 the agent, and the verb and the complement. And without the complement, it's correct as well, but most of the time we mention a complement, the result of the action, or some other elements in the sentence, of course. So 自行车被小偷偷走了. Bicycle was stolen and gone by a thief. Another example, 小说 novel or fiction 被同学借去了. Fiction was borrowed and gone by a classmate. So the 被 we put this in the sentence to express the passive meaning, and somehow 被 could be replaced by 叫 or 让 as well. So for example, 自行车叫小偷偷走了. It's correct as well. Or 自行车让小偷偷走了. Same meaning. Same as this sentence, right? Same with this sentence. 小说叫同学借去了. 小说让同学借去了. So in the sentence with 被, right, the passive sentence, we can use 被, or sometimes use 叫 or 让 as well, but always follow this pattern. And one thing you should remember, sentence with 被, you can use it without an agent. If the agent you don't have to mention, with or without the object. For example, in this sentence, without this object, then the structure becomes the subject plus the expression of 被, plus the verb means was done, and plus some other elements. Then there is no agent anymore, meaning you don't want to mention, or it's not necessarily to mention the agent. 自行车被偷走了. 自行车 was stolen. And next one without the agent, 小说被借去了. Fiction was borrowed. However, it's only with 被 you don't have to mention the agent. But with 叫 and 让, the agent or the object afterwards should be necessary. 自行车叫 somebody. 自行车叫让 somebody 偷走了 or 借去了. So after 被 no need agent, okay. However, after 叫 and 让, you have to mention the agent. So this is the these are the sentences with 被. Next one, in this text, we also mention a lot of sentences with this resultative complement, or meaning the complement of 到 somehow indicates the result. So 到 in the sentence, when we use it after verb as the complement, it indicates the result that an action has attained or has achieved its objective. So what do I mean? We look at here. 抓到小偷. The action of this phrase is 抓, to catch. And 到呢 somehow means it's successed, managed to arrest. The objective of this action has attained, has achieved already. 抓到小偷, right? The result of it is already got it. 找到车, look for something, and the result of it is already attain its objective, already find. 找到车. 买到东西, go shopping, and the result is got it. 买到东西. Somehow if 到, right, the same expression 到 also could show as a resultative complement, it also shows that one action has ended in a certain place or up to a certain time. So as a resultative complement, other means achieved objective or finish at a certain place or a certain time. For example, 撞到车, bumped, and to the certain place, reach the car. Write 写, right, 写到10点, write and ended at a certain time, 10 o'clock. Write continues writing until it's 10 o'clock, 写到10点. 学习到第25课, continuously study until reach a certain place, which is lesson 25. And in this lesson, there is another resultative complement, which is 在. In this case, if 在 used as a complement tell the result after the verb, somehow means is one action come to the end and end up at a certain place as well. For example, 躺在床上. One action, the action is 躺, and the result of it is already to a certain place, which is on the bed. So lying down, and the result on the bed, lie on the bed. And 停, to stop or to park. The result of it is already reach a certain place, 那就是在路边, on the roadside. 放, the action is putting, and the result of it 在桌子上 until to the certain place on the table. So 在 in this text, it could be worked as a resultative complement when it's put after a verb. Last, we look at this structure, right? This structure of the sentence. 如果就. Actually, before we already got to know 如果 means if, tells the condition, and 就呢 is the expression to connect two clauses and tell the result. We can put them together. 如果就 if then. 如果天气不好 if the weather is not good enough 就不去 then the result is not go. If 有问题如果 has any question 就给我打电话 then the result is make a phone call to me. We can separate them or use them by itself or just use them together, right? 如果就 if then. So this is 这就是今天的语法，谢谢大家。